Correct me if I'm wrong. But isn't that because a lot of the time the person can't afford to press charges? Doesn't it mean taking time off work? Which means either sick pay, if the workplace allows it, or unpaid time off to appear in court. Thanks to those who have clarified. Depending on the quarantine Karen Santa inside or shall talk to the manager shirt. People do not need to appear personally in court. If there is video evidence, then it is typically not necessary. To press charges only means encouraging the police and prosecutors to proceed with a criminal case, rather than drop it. Yes, time off work may factor in as a witness, but it doesn't actually cost money to press charges. Cases like these usually plead out anyway. Quarantine Karen Santa inside or shall talk to the manager shirt. Tank top, V-neck. Ladies for men and women. Tank top, V-neck. Really? It's the DA's office that decides to actually. Whether the victim tells them to or not is ultimately irrelevant. I think they just meant that some people can't really afford to miss shifts for that if it'll take a lot of time. Not literally cost them money. The real evidence is in the film. Even if Op didn't want to take time off to go to court and testify, a quarantine Karen Santa inside or shall talk to the manager shirt. The only reason why the cops ask is so they have to do less paperwork. Seriously. If you say no, they won't submit anything to a prosecutor. Pretty much. Whenever we hear about pressing charges on Reddit, some galaxy brain is like, no. The DA presses charges. Quote, but the fact is the police may ask in situations like this. Official quarantine Karen Santa inside or shall talk to the manager sweatshirt. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. That galaxy brain is in fact correct. In the US at least. Isn't the victim who presses charges, it isn't the cops who press charges. It's the prosecutor. If catches wind of the case, they can and often will order the cops to investigate, drag in witnesses, etc. Prosecutors have in fact taken cases to trial and secured verdicts even when literally every other party in the quarantine Karen Santa inside or shall talk to the manager shirt. Victim, defendant, police, and witnesses all can be ridden over shod rough if the prosecutor senses a victory in court and wants it. I don't know if it works the same in America, but if this happened in Australia, I'm positive you'd be given time off work to attend court as the assault happened while you were on the job. Other products.